Plenty of space for the stuffed elephant prizes. 287 at $1.95. That's a little under $600. We'll cut down on the number of elephants. This isn't a bad space. There's still enough room for the stuffed dinosaurs. So, 205 at $1.95. That's close to $400. Ay. Not everyone likes dinosaurs anyway. It's small, but I like a comfy space. And the stuffed turtle should fit fine in here next to a row of ducks. 92 4/10 at $1.95. That makes it a bit less than $200. I'll take it. Step right up. 3 tries for $1. Great prizes.
How did the booth operator estimate the rent for each booth?